We begin tonight with a look at what's next as a milestone emerges in this week in the pandemic. This Wednesday is a big day for Ohio. As of midnight Wednesday morning, and for the first time in more than a year, all COVID-19 health orders will be gone, allowing Ohioans to live a pre-COVID lifestyle. Marissa Saenz reports tonight on how the new yet familiar way of living could directly impact Northeast Ohio.
Walking out of your house on Wednesday might feel like any average day. While the changes might not be clear at first, you could slowly see them as the day goes on.
It's very gratifying to finally be coming out of it.
Coming out of a year full of uncharted territory, desolate, full of continuously changing restrictions and to-go only. The change is coming, announced 2.5 weeks ago.
It is time. It's time to end the health orders.
A pre-pandemic life coming back.
We're happy now to be able to also, work by the guidelines that are set out for us.
Michael Boland is the manager of Mabel's Barbecue downtown. When the pandemic swept across Northeast Ohio, he held on to business best he could.
It's pretty crazy to think back on a year ago and, think about prior sales numbers.
Sales that sunk for businesses in every industry.
We saw a lot of businesses that were restaurants, that were local stores, that really saw a fall in revenue.
Social distancing guidelines and capacity restrictions won't apply starting Wednesday, meaning businesses can pick up the pace.
Do you think that on the tail end of the pandemic, business will come back as quickly as it stopped?
There's a chance that we could rebound in a significant way, but I don't think it's necessarily going to be a straight reversal.
Bolin doesn't expect a quick business rebound either.
I think over the course of the summer, we'll see it just continually increase.
From a federal level to the state level, COVID-19 health orders came 1 year after the pandemic crippled the country. Today, 45% of Ohioans have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. While that helps slow the spread of the virus, doctors say the pandemic won't just disappear.
Pandemics don't end in a bang, but in a whimper.
Now, those state mask mandates will be lifted as well, meaning that businesses don't have to require customers to wear them inside. Bolin says that he's not going to require customers or staff to wear masks indoors. However, businesses still reserve the right to require them if they choose to. Danielle.
All right, thanks so much, Marissa. It looks lovely out there tonight. No sleeves, warm weather. We're all ready.